Hello everyone, welcome back to your Google Classroom. Today we will discuss the topic prepositions. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word which comes before a noun or a pronoun and shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun with the other words in a sentence. Simply we can say preposition shows the position of something. The words in, on, under, over, below, across, among, etc. are examples for prepositions. Mainly, prepositions are divided into three: prepositions of place, prepositions of time, and prepositions of direction or movement. First one, prepositions of time. We can use these prepositions to show the time in various aspects. For example, we can use the preposition in to show or to denote month. For example, he was born in March. He was born in March. And we can use the same preposition in to denote year. I went to England in 2016. I went to England in 2016. Second one, prepositions of place. These prepositions show the place or position of a noun or pronoun. For example, the book is on the table. The book is on the table. Neha hid behind the tree. Neha hid behind the tree. Third one, prepositions of movement or direction. We use prepositions of movement or direction to show the movement of a noun or pronoun from one place to another. These prepositions are most often used with verbs of motion and used or placed after the verb. For example, the ball went through the window. The puppy ran towards me. So, these are the three main prepositions: prepositions of time, place, and movement or direction. Let's take the different types of prepositions and their usages. Let's start with the prepositions for time. First one, in. We have already discussed two usages of in. Third one, we use in for seasons. Example, the city receives snowfall in winter. We use in for a particular time of the day. Example, she went out in the evening. The rooster crows early in the morning. We use in for centuries. Example, aeroplane was discovered in the early 20th century. We use in for specific time in the past or future. Example, man used stone implements in the Stone Age. Next one is on. We use on for days of the week. Example, I will meet you on Monday. For special days, he was born on 10th August. For parts of days. Example, can we meet on Tuesday afternoon? For dates, we will leave for a vacation on 7th December. These are the usages of the prepositions of time, on. The next preposition of time is at. We use at to denote clock time. Example, the meeting is at 3 o'clock. To denote festivals, we usually meet at Christmas. Precise times, I'll read you a story at bedtime. During, for a duration of time. I fell asleep during the match. Until, for how long a situation continues. Example, he did not wake up until noon. For, we use for a period of time. Example, we have been living in Delhi for 12 years. Since, for a starting point. Example, we have been living in Delhi since 2009. From to, for beginning and end of a period. Example, we watched the match from 5 to 11 o'clock. By, for a specific event that will happen before a certain time in the future. Example, please submit the assignment by Tuesday. So, the words in, on, at, during, until, for, since, from, to, and by are the prepositions for time. Let's discuss the prepositions for place. First one, in. We use in for places with some boundary. Example, there is a prayer meeting in the hall. Let us meet in the library. They live in New York. Next one is on. For the surface of something. Example, keep the book on the table. Find the country on the map. At, for a specific place. Example, I'm waiting for you at the bus stop. I'll meet you at the entrance. Between, for the space that separates two things, people, or places. Example, she sat between her parents. Behind, at the back of something. Example, the boy hid behind the tree. In front of, it means in a position just ahead or at the front part of something. Example, there is a garden in front of the house. Under, lower than something. Example, the cat is under the bed. Below, it means lower than something else. Example, the plane flew below the clouds. By, next to, or beside. It means not far away. Example, there is a river by the house, or there is a river next to the house, or there is a river beside the house. The words in, on, at, between, behind, in front of, under, below, by, next to, and beside are the prepositions for place. We have some textual activities. Do the activities A and B. That's all for today. BR attached. Watch the video. A test paper is also included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. We can meet in the next class with the continuation of this topic. Thank you.